we're reading the longest book in the entire world. Just like 1 page, 2 page, 3 page, 4 page,
Pages.
5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10, and 11, and 12, and 13.
Okay. And what is it called?
Ted's Big Adventure. Oh,
That like
I'm
you?
Teddy!
And this is?
Teddy.
This is Ted's Big
And that's
Adventure.
Ted. That's Teddy.
Yeah, let's see.
Teddy.
Yeah. Shall we read it? Come here to me.
I want to hold.
Are you gonna read this? Thank you.
I'm gonna read it.
Or you want Mama to read it?
Maybe you can finish it.
Little?
Why is that one not little? That's little.
I know. Little Ted's Big Adventure. Okay.
Excited.
You read the first one.
So
Wait, let's show them what you're reading.
One morning, little Ted woke up and saw the sky was gray.
Okay.
No, I can still read.
Here, this one.
I know just what to do. He said, I'll go on holiday. Just like me, I went on holiday.
That's why you are little Ted.
Ted hurried off to clean his teeth and wash his sleepy face.
Well done.
I can still read this.
Okay.
He grabbed
Well done.
his little squeaky duck and quickly packed his case. That's all of the words. I done that.
And like you, when you went on holiday, you had to pack all your cases, right?
Ted hopped onto a speedy jet that zoomed him off in Spain. To Spain. I know Spain. Here, one boy and one girl. He said, see you in Spain.
And the next?
Do I do prefer the beach? He said. Interesting.
Interesting. Instead. Use your phonics.
Instead. Mama,
Oh.
look ends.
You're hurting my finger.
Look ends.
Instead.
I mean instead. So like
Instead.
Mama, how can you spell it backwards?
Instead. Come on. Next.
Instead.
Come on, that is
Okay, instead of all thanks that way.
That's rain. And then he said again.
He built. I thought he said built a huge sandcastle made of seaweed, shells, and sand.
Well done. Next. I can't see it. It's very dark. Have a look.
How the torch.
Okay.
Use the torch.
There you go. Here.
Then sang a dance.
And
the light danced all every evening with a cool
this one.
flamingo.
This one needs to be flamingo.
But that's called flamenco.
Yeah, I know. This one.
Band. Flamenco band.
Flamingo band.
But that's like
Next. Do you wanna sit properly?
That's This is
Okay.
this
Next.
is the United States of France.
Just France. In now Spain is finished. Spain is finished. And now
Mama, look at that juicy ice cream.
okay, now it's now
In France, Ted. It's France. I'm gonna go in France and
Okay.
Spain as well.
okay.
I'm gonna go in every holiday. Well, let's see when Spain is over.
This one is Spain here.
Which
Spain.
one is this? Is the
Spain is here. That's it all. He went to Spain. Now
France?
Ted went to
Wait. Where's this page? What is this one? Is this like the China?
okay. Let's go first to France. Come on, Ted. He will go to France. In France,
Ted
bought
bought the biggest cherry tree he
ever
seen.
seen. Sit properly, please. And the next, look at that tree too. That's a really big ice
Mama,
cream.
I'm gonna have the same. I'm gonna have chocolate chip on top of that, strawberry ice cream, mint ice cream, and vanilla.
Well, amazing. Now this one, look. This is what it's. That one is.
Made with chocolate sauce and caramel and sticky mint ice cream.
Ooh,
Mama, I'm gonna have that, the sticky mint.
amazing. And then next,
He climbed the
it says the Eiffel
tower.
Tower.
I like Eiffel Tower. I remembered I watched that before, the Eiffel Tower.
It's in the Miraculous, the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah, even online, but it's a fake one because it talks.
The Eiffel Tower talks.
Yeah.
Okay, let's continue the reading.
He climbed the Eiffel Tower all the way. I just read all of that thing. He climbed the Eiffel Tower all the way.
This one first. All the way without
Without
a stop. And then what happened to
Ted
Ted?
felt worn out when halfway, but
halfway up.
but made it to the top.
Oh, well done,
So
Ted.
brave.
Well done. Next.
Now this is China.
Now, where are we now? Spain is finished. France, and now
In Italian.
Italy. In Italy,
Mama, I'm
you know what's famous in Italy? What
Mama.
food? Oh, listen to Mama. What food is famous in Italy?
spaghetti.
Yee, pasta.
That's the same.
You've seen the picture. Okay, next. In Italy,
Ted had
ate
some slimy pasta.
is sleepy. Where's slimy? There's no M in there. Sleepy.
Sleepy pasta with his breath.
And then this is silly. This is silly.
Which one?
Okay. You're pressing on my
The pasta slithered.
slithered. Well done. How did you know that word?
Slithered
Through
his fork and
splattered.
splattered little Ted.
Look at that. Blah, 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 blah. And next, what happened?
Ted hid
Hired.
a floating
Use your phonics. Gun.
gun.
Gondola. Gondola. Which carried
him away.
That's the gondola there.
So
like the one we went to Venice. The one, the mall we went to in the Philippines. It looks like Little Italy. with this one, but we did not go because it was rainy, right? You remember when we went to the Philippines?
Yeah.
It was like this. This is what you call gondola. Okay, next.
He
Floated
down
the Venice streets while
singing all the way.
You're very good, even though it's like the way they wrote it is
Hard.
I know. Excuse me. Where are we now? Which country has a mummy?
In
Egypt.
I'm gonna go in every single country. So in
Okay.
the first page,
It was Spain. Next, France
so
and Italy. No, wait, let me help you. First, it was Spain, and then France.
and
See?
then Italy.
France, and then Italy, and
And
then Egypt.
So can I go in all of them countries?
I hope so.
We would find out. Yeah, but there's no Philippines, but we're still gonna go in the Philippines.
Yes,
But
that's our
there's no
favorite.
Philippines. That's
No Philippines in this book.
yeah, but it's fine. So we're gonna go in it if we're going in different countries.
Okay.
So number 1, go to the Philippines.
Okay.
Number 2, we're gonna stay there 4 days for 15 days, and
Okay.
then the second day we're gonna do 10 days in Italy,
Okay.
and then 13 days in France.
Okay.
So we're gonna only do all them 3.
What about Spain?
Spain, we can do like 5 days.
Okay. Now, what about Egypt?
We're gonna do that. We're gonna do that in maybe 10 days.
Okay. So let's see what we can see in Egypt.
In Egypt, little Ted explored a dark and creepy,
Creepy tomb.
creepy tomb.
Because you can see. What are these?
Mummies.
Okay.
Mama, that's a scary thing.
Nah, scary thing. No, long time ago, that's how they buried people like that. Mommy, they preserve the body
Mama,
by doing
Mama,
that.
what do you want to do when it's Halloween?
We'll think about it.
Mama,
It's
what are you gonna be dressed in?
Maybe. What do you want me to dress?
Mama, I want the Halloween one.
Okay.
And Papa can wear Halloween as well.
Okay. We'll ask Papa if he wants to cooperate this time.
And even on birthday, you can have a hat. Papa can have a hat and me as well.
Okay. Okay, next.
He saw a spooky mummy standing in the
Murky.
gloom.
You're still reading like that. And then, what did Ted
A
say?
scary thing, cried little Ted.
Next.
He quickly dashed outside and fumbled down the
Pyramid.
just like a bumpy slide. That was so loud.
I know you are. And now, where are we now?
China.
Where are we?
In China.
China.
Mama, I'm gonna eat some bamboo in there.
Yeah, only panda eats bamboo. See? In China.
Mama,
Come on, read this one now.
Mama, that looks like green beans.
Come on then.
Okay, in China, Ted
Walked.
on.
Excuse me.
No, that was not even the bird.
What was it?
It was all of my food, the scouts.
You make me laugh, Ted.
It's all of the Scouts. It's like all of the Scouts. It's like the real version of Scouts, but it's like not. You can't eat it, Mama. You can't eat it. Mama, you can't eat it, Mama.
That means it's a burp.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's like it goes through to my mouth to there.
Okay.
It goes through my mouth,
Okay.
so it's not a burp.
Okay.
Yeah, let's just restart. Okay. In China, Ted walked on the wall and leaped right off the slide.
The
Slide.
side. Where's the slider? Next.
He leaped on.
Oh, pardon.
He
Landed.
landed on a panda bear who took him for a ride.
Why are you talking like that now? Talk like a proper boy. Big boy.
Ma?
Then.
Mama, you know I can say it like then. Like then.
Then.
But like then is like the same.
Yeah,
So-
but there is that punctuation, which is a comma, that means then. And then.
But Mama, a similar some physics is like then or then. You can use them two words.
Okay.
So then afterwards he. So there's only one word of that. There's no like.
So let me
the.
teach you. Then. So you have to
Then-
stop a little bit. And then you continue. Afterward.
Mama, look. See, that's the dot. So we keep on going.
Yeah. So you don't
Then
read.
afterwards.
No, you don't read very fast. Then you stop a little bit. Afterward, you stop a little bit because there is something like a punctuation, which is a comma. So you have to pause a little bit. Then afterward, read it. Or you want me to read it?
Maybe you can read it because it's too hard for me.
He joined the panda for a bite or two. They lazed on bright green jungle leaves
Teddy bears
while munching on
bamboo.
bamboo.
Mama, can I have a bamboo green bean?
Okay, next. Where are we
Mama,
going?
look at this.
This is your country. I
I think Great
Britain.
Is this my country?
Yeah. Where the queen is. Come on. I think Great Britain is your country. Great Britain.
So Britain.
Yeah, it's Britain.
It's our country.
Yeah, because what nationality are you?
Britain.
British.
No, it's. But there's no Philippines.
What nationality are you?
Filipino.
Okay then. Okay. I love you. Come on now. I think
Mama?
Great Britain.
Mama, you're like a chocolate bar.
A chocolate bar. Why?
Because you got bones, it's like a chocolate bar.
What about you?
Even the color is just like a chocolate bar.
Wow. Look at my color. What about you? You are a chocolate bar too.
Oh, but mine is blue. I'm not even a chocolate bar.
No, you're not blue, you're green.
No, I'm blue. It's like a shade of blue.
No, it's green.
It's teal. It's teal. It's teal. Teal.
What? Teal?
Teal.
Teal is a shade of green.
Yes, it is.
Why are you saying blue?
But blue.
Oh.
Blue.
Let's just continue.
Blue.
Come on, because it's 9 o'clock now. I think Great Britain will be next. Come on, you read your book. Decided
Little Ted. So he went to meet the queen for tea with jam and bread.
See? That's little Ted eating with the queen. Next. That. No, come on.
Okay. So that afterwards,
No. Afternoon. Ted with Papa.
afternoon, Ted went to watch a football match for fun.
Okay.
Okay, see the football match?
The football match.
That's
And then,
so fun.
what did he say?
Come on, you Reds.
You what?
You Reds.
You red.
I mean Reds.
What team is red? What football team is red? What?
Liverpool. That's Liverpool. I don't like Liverpool. I want Everton.
Okay. Because Papa wants Everton. So what do you say? Come on, you reds. Or do you say, come on, you blue?
Come on, you Blues.
And then say, oh, come on.
Come on, you Reds, I mean.
Okay.
They're just like Reds. But I'm going to change it. So the Reds can stay there. But I'm just going to put blue underneath it.
Okay.
So, come on, you Blues.
Yeah. Sang.
Little Ted now scored
Another
one.
Okay, next.
How did he do that?
Which to? Where to?
Ted traveled to
Australia.
Oh!
Australia.
No, I'm gonna go there.
And met a wallaby.
Wallaby.
Who? Come on, read this one.
Who took Ted in? Mama, I'm gonna hug you and read it.
And its little pouch. You can
For
do-
free.
And come on, you can read it.
and left him ride for free. Because that's a free ride.
Okay,
There's
next.
a baby inside the kangaroo.
Okay. What's the name of a baby kangaroo?
Wallaby.
What's it? No, the baby kangaroo's called a
Joey.
Joey. You remembered. Well done. Next.
It's a Joey, right?
Joey, right?
Yeah, but how Joey's?
Oh, come on.
There's like plenty of baby dinosaurs. No, I mean baby kangaroos.
So it's a baby Joey's.
Yeah, baby Joey's just like Joey's like ready.
Shall we continue?
They leaped over a crocodile who opened up one eye.
So where's the crocodile? Here, the crocodile.
Look, I can open one eye.
Okay, next.
It's
Jaws.
yours. When snap.
Not like.
It's like,
Look at this one.
look out, cried Ted as they went bouncing by.
Well done.
Your fingers like.
I know. Where to next?
Oh, so I'm gonna stop a bit, okay? I'm gonna stop a bit every single one. America was next. Ted said. But that's all in syllables?
It should be America was next. Ted said. Next.
So I've heard it
Pretty
good. That's always I said pretty good, but
What
sometimes
pretty?
no pretty
this one?
good. I always say pretty good, but sometimes I say pretty bad.
Come on here.
I want to visit all of
All
the famous stars in Hollywood.
Ooh.
Hollywood bowling!
You are so clever.
Oh,
He-
that's America movie star. See? Movie star.
Okay.
So
He
he
boogied
boogied
at
at a disco and he met a movie star.
well done.
He
Maybe.
met the movie star.
And
he
then-
met the movie
We're nearly done. Look, 2 more pages. Next. Who whizzed him
whizzed him around the attack.
There's a missing piece here. Maybe not. A racetrack in his flashy.
Racing car. That's so easy, Mama. One more page.
One more page.
Done.
Okay, now here now.
By now. This is going to be the impossible page because we read every single one.
You did. You're very good.
By now, poor Ted was feeling Ted.
No shouting, please. Just read sensible, properly.
By now, poor Ted was feeling tired. I'm quiet. Worn out.
Worn out.
Worn out. Stop,
He's-
Teddie. He said, I loved my little holiday, but now I need my bed. We're already in the bed, Ted.
Okay.
How about Ted just comes to my bed?
You are already on the bed.
No, I mean this kind of Ted.
Okay.
He can go on the bed.
He will soon be on the bed because read this one.
It's been a great day,
A great
a great adventure, and I must come back one day. Ted packed his case and
verily
he headed
he headed.
on his way. Hey, look, he's in the bed now.
I know. On this one.
At last, Ted reached his little house and
Snuggled.
snuggled into bed.
Yay. Last one.
I've had a lot of fun, but now I'm glad I'm home, he said.
It's time for bed. You wanna read this part as well?
Okay, Ted's Big Adventure. Join little Ted and Ducky as they set off on the
On an
amazing fun-filled holiday exploring the
wonders
wonders of the world.
children
Children will love to read
all about
little Ted's incredible adventures in this beautiful picture book. Last one.
This one is just illustrated by the one who drew this one, which is Jody Ruta. That's the book. Well done for reading.
Good night. I'm going to bed.
Good night, everybody.
See you in the next video.